In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a Microsoft Planner plan. If you've ever built out a plan in Microsoft Planner and wanted to reuse that same structure for another project, team, or time period, duplicating the plan can save you a lot of time. Instead of creating everything again from scratch, you can copy the existing framework and keep your workflow consistent. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go directly to the plan board that you want to copy. Make sure you're inside the correct plan before moving on, because the duplicate option applies to the plan you currently have open. It's a good idea to quickly review the board so you know you're working with the right one, especially if you manage several plans that look similar. Once you're on the plan board, look toward the top area of the screen for the three-dot menu. This is the More Options menu, and it contains additional actions related to the current plan. Click those three dots to open the drop-down. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the top navigation area of the board, since menu placement can vary slightly depending on your screen size or browser window. After the menu opens, find and click Duplicate Plan. This is the option that allows you to create a copy of the current plan without having to rebuild its layout manually. When you select it, Microsoft Planner will begin the duplication process and guide you through the copy setup. At this point, you've successfully started duplicating your Microsoft Planner plan. This is a very useful feature when you want to preserve the structure of an existing board, such as buckets, task organization, or overall planning format, while creating a fresh version for a new use case. One helpful tip is to pause for a moment after choosing duplicate plan and confirm that you're copying the correct source plan, especially if you're working quickly or switching between projects. That small check can help prevent confusion later and keep your workspace organized, and that's all there is to it. Open the plan board you want to copy, click the three-dot menu at the top, and choose Duplicate Plan. It's a simple process, but it can make project setup much faster and more consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.